Pantasan ng luksod ng Muntinlupa. I just want to say that it is my pleasure to ask a question. To ask questions to you. My question. Don't laugh. Oh my God. Masaya ang lahat. Pero importante. Masaya ang lahat. Kasi hindi ko recording ganito eh. Showbiz ako. By the way, in every report, you have personal views in a particular news. Sir, as a broadcast journalist, how do you handle the fairness of your news?
Keep that partiality to yourself. Keep that bias to yourself. First and foremost, you are not you when you are in front of the camera. You are not you when you write a news script. You always have to be impartial and present both sides of an issue, good and bad. It should not only be good, it should also be bad. You have to be impartial, and you have to always be true to your audience. That is the most important thing. It's not because you support a particular cause or a particular political party. That is the end. Just keep it to yourself, because you shouldn't be in this industry if you're opinionated. Maybe, yes, if you have your own talk show, then you can be opinionated. But when you write a story for a news program, you can never be opinionated.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Kapuso.
Magandang umaga, kapamilya.